All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how you register for your DS logon if you haven't already done so. Many times you need this in order to obtain your DD214, which DS logon will give you access to the MilConnect website, which is where the DD214 is. Now, first step is to, as you can see here, all I'm doing is Googling DS logon. And after that, I'm going to click on register. Now, there's going to be two parts to this, okay? Right now, we're just working on the registration. So you're going to click on remote identity proofing. Then you're going to enter your email address. Your full name, your date of birth, and your social. And you're going to click submit. Okay. Once you go through all of that, you're ready to log into the actual website. Now, let me pause for a minute here. It's very important while you're going through this process, this registration process, you're going to have to do some identity proofing, meaning they're going to ask you some very bizarre questions that are going to be a little tricky. Like, did you have a lease agreement in 2014? If so, was the payment between 400 and 425, 425 and 450, and so on. So you get the picture. Kind of tricky. And if you fail it 3 times, it locks you out for 30 days. And there's nothing anybody can do. Like, I've already been through this. You cannot do anything. So attempt it once. If you don't pass it, don't try again. Don't say, oh, well, you know what? I think I know what the answer is, and try again. No, just stop, reach out to me, and I can pull up your credit report and then help you and guide you. In this case, we already registered. I have my login. Let's go ahead and log in. This is part 2. I'm going to show you how to order your DD214 along with any other documentation that you need. So you log in and you get here and it says profile and you're like, what in the world is this? Well, go ahead and click on websites accepting DS logon. And yeah, there's a bunch of stuff here. Well, you want to go to MilConnect, and now you're finally in the right website. Now, make sure, there's so much information on here. Make sure you come up to the top, see where it says here, correspondence and documentation. So inconspicuous, go ahead and click on that. Drop down menu comes down and click on defense, personal records information. Once you're there, again, very, very inconspicuous. Like, what do you do here? Well, you click on request personnel file. Never mind all of these warning issues. They're always there. As far as I can remember, they're always there. So look, I just did this video a little while ago, maybe about 15 minutes ago, and it had already, I requested the files and it had already pulled it up. So it's it's fast, but click on request my personnel file. Now here, make sure that your social security number is correct. Mine is blacked out, obviously, for obvious reasons. Enter your email address. I'm going to request it again, just for instructional purposes only. Luis@luisrenteria.com. And then I'm going to click on Marine Corps, and I'm going to click on DD214, DD215. I have no idea what DD215 is, but I'm not about to look it up. Anyways, DD214 is what you need. My ADD is kicking in. All right. So I'm going to click on create and send request, and that's it. Voila. That's all you need to do. Now, it pulled mine up already. So, and again, this was just about 20, not even 15 minutes ago. So it's quick. Okay. So that pretty much does it. If you need any help with any of this stuff, just reach out.